Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a productive Home Alone vlog. So let's get started. The first thing, the guinea pigs are all taken care of. So the first thing I'm going to do, which is down here, is just clean up a bit, maybe put away a few dishes, just get done what needs to get done down here. And then go upstairs. I don't know how long my parents are going to be. They left the lights on, so I don't know if they're coming back right away. I have no clue, but yeah. So the first thing I always like to do while I'm home alone is just like to get some cleaning done. So as you can see, I'm cleaning the stove. Okay, so now I took the knobs off of the stove and I'm washing them with dish soap. It's something we like to do, just like to keep the stove all nice and clean. I don't know why, but quarantine has just made me so much mature, and I just love cleaning when I'm home alone. It's honestly just one of the best things ever. It's so just calming because I'm always an anxious person, especially when I'm alone. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so this is the current situation. Change of video plans. This still wasn't one of my videos planned today, but we are going to just vlog during a thunderstorm. I don't know what we're gonna do, but yeah. Yeah, we have a severe thunderstorm alert where I live. I'm not saying, but it's literally downpouring. I'm gonna go check on the guinea pigs in a minute. And there's my crazy friend. I'm not. So I'm gonna go check on the guinea pigs, make sure my piggies have literally everything they need. Look how soaked everything is, though. Okay, it's ooh. Look at the pool, dude. You can see all the rain pouring in there. That's an ooh. It's currently 4:10 and we have this severe thunderstorm alert until 7:30, so that's nice. But there's nothing I can do about it, so. So now I'm just going to be making some canned mac and cheese, so yeah. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching, and bye, guys.